TELESIN universal shaft selfie stick. Look at this thing, everybody. This is one of the best selfie sticks that I've found. So here's everything you get in the box. You know, you get this little 1/4-20 mount right here, and I'll show you how this works. Actually, I'll take it all apart and show you here in a minute. Little set of instructions that kind of show how to do it, but you know what? You got me, so we don't need those. And here's it is with the GoPro in it. This actually is a tripod. So if I want to unscrew this, if I want to put it in tripod mode, unscrew this. I like this system a lot better because my other TELESIN was kind of like a pop-up system and it kind of came loose on me. And then you just pull it apart like that. Now there's different modes you can do it. See, I can go like halfway like that. And it's got these little rubberized feet right there on the bottom. Very good quality. The quality on this is very impressive. Considering the price of this thing, I'm really impressed. If you want to go wider, obviously you go wider when you go longer with it. And let me show you how you do that. And you can see the lock and unlock there. So if I want to put it back on there, you just screw it back down. Now it's locked. That ain't coming apart. I like that because you ever had that little rattle in some of the like selfie sticks I've had with a tripod on them? They have a little bit of a rattle. This one has a ball mount on it. This is really good too, because when you're holding your stick like that and you go out, you're going to have to turn it down more. Well, what they've done, instead of having to loosen this each time, you can keep this very tight. All of this comes with it, by the way. See this little flip switch right here? Flip that open. You can move it and you can have it in a kind of more of a side angle like that. You can go all the way back, all the way up. So different angles on that. Then when you find the angle you want, you just basically tighten it down. And if you want to put it in portrait mode, you'll basically turn that off like there and see how it's in. So once I loosen it up, now it's in portrait mode. So check that out. If I'm filming more for Reels or TikTok or something like that, I'll put it in that mode right there and see how I can go out and then I can turn it like this. So actually loosen it up. Now it's in portrait mode. I really like that. And oh, by the way, it goes 56 inches of pole length. That is super long. It's so long you can't really see it in my camera here, but look how long that pole length is there. And it's pretty solid. This feels to be more like an aluminum. It's not a plastic, so it's very solidly made. And let me show you how this works. So it'll fit any Insta360, GoPro, any type of fitting that has this right here, these two-legged fittings like that. And let's say you want to put a tripod on there. If you want to make it like a tripod, just put that in there. And then you can go like that. And you can put any camera that has a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, which I can actually screw this in as a 1/4-20 there if I want to get a better fit on it. But that's a real handy feature to have there because you can put I've got a little Sony camera that I can put on there and use it for that. Use it as a selfie stick on that. But everybody, I've had a lot of products from this TELESIN group and I thought they have been very good, very well made, and I still use them today. Hopefully we'll get some footage. So yeah, see you all in the next video.